In this video, we will discover and discuss a refreshing drink that's not only delicious, but packed with health benefits. Coconut juice, also known as coconut water, is more than just a tropical thirst quencher. Backed by science, this natural beverage is loaded with nutrients that support your overall health. Let's dive into 10 science-based health benefits of coconut juice you need to know. 1. Natural hydration booster. Coconut juice is a rich source of electrolytes, especially potassium, magnesium, sodium, and calcium. These electrolytes help rehydrate the body more efficiently than water alone, making it ideal after exercise or during hot weather. 2. Supports heart health. Studies suggest coconut water may help lower blood pressure due to its high potassium content, which balances out sodium in the body. One animal study showed a 17% reduction in blood pressure with coconut water consumption. 3. Aids in digestion. Coconut water contains bioactive enzymes like acid phosphatase, catalase, and dehydrogenase, which help improve digestion and nutrient absorption. It's also gentle on the stomach and can soothe digestive discomfort. 4. Helps regulate blood sugar. Preliminary studies have shown that coconut juice may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk. Coconut juice may help manage blood sugar, thanks to its magnesium, antioxidant properties, and low sugar content, all contributing to better insulin function and glucose control. 5. Supports kidney health. Coconut juice is more than just refreshing, it helps hydrate, cleanse, and protect your kidneys. With its ability to flush out stone-forming substances and support healthy urine flow, it's a smart natural choice for kidney health. 6. Rich in antioxidants. Coconut juice is a natural source of antioxidants that help protect your body at the cellular level. Whether you're fighting fatigue, boosting your immune system, or aiming for healthier skin and organs, this tropical drink delivers more than hydration, it delivers cellular defense. 7. Promotes skin health. Coconut juice supports skin health by providing deep hydration, essential nutrients, and anti-inflammatory protection. Whether you're dealing with acne, dryness, or signs of aging, adding coconut water to your routine can help your skin glow naturally from within. 8. Aids in weight loss. Coconut juice supports weight loss by offering a low-calorie, hydrating, and nutrient-rich drink that keeps you full, boosts metabolism, and reduces bloating. Swap it in place of sugary beverages, and your body and your waistline will thank you. 9. Improves exercise recovery. Its perfect balance of natural sugars and electrolytes makes it excellent for post-workout recovery. One study even found it rehydrated the body just as effectively as commercial sports drinks. And 10. Boosts immunity. Coconut water contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps the body fight infections and strengthens immune response naturally. And those are the 10 science-backed reasons to add coconut juice to your daily routine. Whether you're rehydrating, nourishing your body, or just enjoying a tropical treat, coconut water is a natural health booster in every sip. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for personalized guidance and treatment. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and investing in preventive measures can lead to a lifetime of well-being. Thank you for being a part of our community, and together, let's strive for optimal health and a brighter future. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Earlyseven's YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos.